In this video, we'll review unpacking and setting up the hardware of your 1500 Series A2 biological safety cabinet. First, let's find the right place for your cabinet. You want to position it away from high traffic areas, air supply registers, or equipment that create air currents. We want to reduce any potential disturbances to the air barrier at the cabinet's front opening. The cabinet arrives on a pallet like you see here. Accessories such as thimble exhaust connections, media valves, and other components will arrive in separate packages. If you choose white glove delivery, the stand will be assembled and the cabinet placed on the stand with the drain valve attached. Right now, we'll focus on the steps we need to take after the cabinet is set on the stand. Let's raise the work tray to retrieve some items you'll need: drain valve, factory test reports, installation guide, armrests, and a thumb drive containing the user manual. If you ordered media valves, they are shipped separately. The next step is to place and close the drain valve. Make certain the drain valve is closed. You can then place the armrest into their slots. Notice the direction the armrests are pointing. Now you're ready to plug in and start up your cabinet for the first time. Setting up your 1500 Series A2 biological safety cabinet properly will help it deliver the efficient, effective, and safe performance you need. Watch the initial setup video for this biological safety cabinet model to learn how to power up your cabinet and get it ready to go to work.